Yo, welcome to another video review. Today we're gonna be talking about a platform that promises to, pay you for taking part in the varieties of different trivia games, okay, and questions. The name is Quizando, or if it's Quizando, whichever one. So here's the platform right here, and as you can see, join brilliant hosts for a brand new game and blah blah blah. You earn money whenever you answer trivia questions, all right? And this is going in competition with several other people on the internet, those who also sign up for these, all right? So the moment you sign up, you're going to be in a competition with several other partakers, all right, whom you're going to be competing with, answering questions. And if you're the last to to stay up in answering questions, then that means you won, all right? But if you're not able to answer some questions, you're going to be disqualified, and that means you've lost your token, all right? Now, for you to participate in any of the game, you need a token. All right, now you can see, you see, play game, play for free, price pool 25 euros. All right, the headquarters is from an European country. All right, that's where the headquarters is. uh they have a very good page, like the front page, the home page looks very captivating. It kind of look legit, all right, so in the ways of their own dealings. But enough talking, let's just head straight to the requirements, okay, and some stuff that you're gonna be needing for you to partake in this type of game. All right, so right here we're gonna be checking out this page, and as you can see, what type of games can I play. Now there are four type of games in this website, okay. Now it's an online program, okay, for people who can answer trivia questions. So you have the live, survival, sponsored, and classic. All right, so these are the different types of game, and in all these games you have to be the last in answering questions. So meaning, if you are three or four people that are answering the questions, the last person is the winner. All right, so if you are able to still stay up till for a long time while others have lost, then that means you're the winner. So if you're very intelligent, you might want to try it out. All right, so now let's talk about the requirements for you to be able to partake in any game. All right, in this program, this quiz and do program, then you need to have tokens. All right, we should be able to use and partake in any game. All right, and meaning you have to pay money to buy these tokens. You have to pay money to buy. Now you can see how much does a game cost to play. To play a game that have cash prices, you need to use token. All right, so if you want to earn cash, if you want to earn from this platform, then you need to be able to buy tokens. So meaning it's more like you are staking, more like a little bit of gambling to me, okay, because you have to stake money for you to be able to also earn. All right, so they are also making money from people who partake in the game. All right, so in case you lost, then that means that is the end. So for you to earn on this platform, you need to stake your token. All right, you can see each game costs a different amount of tokens ranging from 5 to 50. So you have to buy token, and for you to buy token, you need to pay. All right, so for you to now play the game, you need to stake the token as your means of payment. All right, so that is just about this, and you need good internet connection. Okay, you can see you need a stable internet connection for you to be able to do this. All right, and it's better you also have a good functioning laptop. All right, or if it's your mobile phone also, it has to be very much functioning. All right, so that is what you should know. Although if you go to the frequently asked question, okay, um like you can see the link on the screen, just go to quizando.com/FAQ. You're gonna be able to read all these. Let's head straight to let's scroll down right here, which talks about buying tokens. All right, so you can see, in order to buy tokens, you must first open an account, which you can do. Okay, but you need to have an active account, and you buy token. So the moment you buy, you can buy using PayPal, credit card, or from your wallet balance. All right, so although for you to buy from your wallet balance, you might have added money inside, so you need money for you to earn here. And as you can see, it also takes 15 days for you to withdraw, which is kind of um, too much for me. Okay, withdrawal taking 15 days is too much. I think normally your withdrawal should take less than 3 to 5 days on a normal platform. So that is kind of suspicious, although there is no much of negative review about them, but 15 days is just too much. I mean, if I should request for my fund, for my earning today, that means I have to wait for 15 days, or you have to wait for 15 days. Why? For you to fund wallet or whatever, it's just within few minutes. So that is something you should be suspicious about. And you can receive your money either from PayPal or your bank account. So normally it shouldn't take that long, because PayPal doesn't take long. There are some platforms that if you make payment, like if you request funds to your PayPal, just within few hours, or if it's during, except if it's during the weekends. All right. Normally PayPal is just within few hours to 2 business days, and you will receive your fund. Okay, 2 days you will receive your fund, but waiting for 15 days is too much. for me. So I don't know about you, but I don't really flow with that. So that is just about these. And also you can see right there what is the minimum amount of winnings that you can withdraw. We don't set a minimum amount, but please bear in mind that there's an administration fee of €5 on all withdrawal. So meaning they are gonna be withdrawing €5 from your earning, okay, whenever you try to withdraw. So although if you ask me that can you join this, at first I'm not really a fan of me staking money, because this is more like gambling to me. You have to stake money as in form of token, all right, which you buy the token for you to be able to play any game that requires cash, all right. Except if you don't want to hand, that is the only way you can play game here and you can just have fun. But if you are here to make money, which is what you are here for, you have to buy a token, all right, which you have to pay for the token, all right. If you go to their website, you're gonna see more about that. So I'm not really a fan of these, but however, let us check how much it costs for you to buy a token, all right. Okay, so right here you can see select token packages, and you can see for you to get 70 tokens, you need to have roughly €6, all right, or €10 for 130 tokens, and €13 for 200 tokens, and €16 for 300 tokens, all right. So you might be seeing 5.99, but it's approximately 6 and approximately 10, 13, and 16. So this is the amount you're gonna be needing, all right, for you to for you to buy a token. So the list here is that you buy 70 tokens for €6, all right. So this is not something I'm cool with, all right, because for me to stake any money to go on a trivia game, and at the end of the day there is possibility of you not being able to answer all the questions and you even losing the game. So I just feel you should think about that. And also you need a reliable um, internet connection. Okay, your internet connection must be strong, because if your internet connection should cut while you're watching or while you're in the game and you're answering questions, then you might lose out. Okay, and that might be the end of the game. So meaning you even lost your money without even being disqualified. Okay, so your internet connection has to be stable, and 15 days of withdrawal is what I don't also recommend, because you having to wait for 15 days is too much. So although they have a very good page and everything looks kind of legit to me, but I'm not really a fan of this. It's more like gambling to me, so I wouldn't suggest this for someone who is looking to make money and don't have much at hand. Except if you just have the money, you can just take, and you wouldn't really you won't care if you lose the money, all right. So and also this is not a reliable means of earning. Okay, you can't rely on this to make money, all right. This is not something you can rely on to give you financial freedom, all right. So I wouldn't really recommend this to you. However, if you're looking for a way to gain financial freedom, you can check the link in the screen right now. Okay, it's something that you can learn. You can click on the link and watch the tutorial video, which is going to be teaching you more about affiliate marketing. If you've heard about affiliate marketing before, or if you've not heard, just click on the link, and you're going to be learning how you can use AI, artificial intelligence, to simplify ways to earn with affiliate marketing. It's a business that is passive income, and it's not all this gambling or whatever. So this is a passive income means for you to earn online. So you might check that out. That is my best recommendation for you. And if you want to go ahead with Quizando, it's your choice. And if you've had experience with Quizando or Quizando before, you can let us know in the comment box. Tell us your experience, and so that you can help others make the best decision. Thank you very much for your time, my friend. I hope this video has been helpful. Kindly make sure that you hit the red subscribe button if it helps you, and if it resonates with you. And also don't forget to hit the thumbs up button so that YouTube can recommend this video to several other people out there who don't know about this. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace and take care. Bye.